There are some certain songs you need to start learning to drive your way forward, you understand? So in this video, we'll be going through this simple song and things you need to know, the progression, and this song will also help you gain the musical ears, okay? Put it in mind that if you're a beginner, try learning songs after you've learned the basics, the skills, and all those kind of things, okay? But if you want to know more, I do private class lessons. Click on that link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? But before we start the breakdown, if you're new to this YouTube channel, this is what I do: teach you how to play bass easy and fast, okay? Subscribe to this channel and also like the video. You can also leave a comment down below, okay? So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so we'll be looking at this simple song sung by Tittle. So in the song, there are many things you can learn: progression and the passing note, fills and stuff, okay? So let's check out the song and see what we're going to learn from that song. First of all, let's look at the key. So now let's look at the progression of the song. Okay, so that alone, see the Lord. This is your 5 and back to your 1. Da, 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 da. Your 4, 3, 2. See what the Lord has done. Then back to your 1. Okay. First of all, let's look at the intro. Okay. Intro goes like this. That is da, 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 da. This is on your 6, so 4 da, da, da. You understand? So from your 4, then you'll be playing your 3 flat, your 7 flat, and your 3 flat. You understand? Okay, so that is da, da, da. Do, do, do. So your 5th string gives you your 3 flats, okay? So you just play da, da, da. You understand? Okay. That is back to your 2, okay? So 4, 3 flats, 2, 6, 2. You have your 2 here, 2, 6, 2, okay? So then to your 5, okay? So you slide on your 4th string, going this way, then backwards, your 5th string, 2, then your 5. You understand?
See what the Lord has done. Can you see what the Lord has done? What we waited for has come to pass. See what the Lord has done.
Okay, so let me take it slow for you. See what the progression the Lord has done. This is your 1. Now to your 5. See what the Lord has done. Then back to your 1. Da, 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 da. Your 4. Da, your 3. Then back to your 2. 5, 5, 5, 1. So first of all, capture the progression of the song, okay? So when playing simple worship song like this, 5, 6, 1, you understand? 5, 6, 1, the Lord has done. You understand? Okay. 5, 6, 1, 1, 1, 1, done. So now to your 5. So let's see what he played. So something like this, you just have to go with a kick, okay? At the start of the song, you just have to play simple. You understand? So, 5, 5, 1. Okay.
What we waited for has come to pass.
So 1 da da 1 da 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 da. So I think he played on the heavy bass, the 4 da da da. Then your 3 1 2. You understand? Okay, then da 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 da. Okay, so see what the Lord has done. Simple. Now to your 5. See what the Lord has done. Da, 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 da. Your 4 3 da, da, 2. So 1. Then you hammer on your 2. Then see what the Lord has done. Okay, that is now to your 5.
You're gonna sing it to someone. I'll just sing it to someone. Say, see what the Lord has done. Can you see? See what the Lord has done.
So you heard what it played. So see what the Lord has done. So instead of you playing your 1, just 1 like that, you can bring in some passing notes. 1 1 1 1 1 1. So 5 6 1 5 5 1. You see? So 5 1 2 5. You understand? So 1 5 6 1. Now to your 5 5 1 2 5. Then back to your 1. You see? So now he's now changing the bass line, adding more passing notes and more things. So let's continue. So 2. You understand? You heard what he played. You understand? You understand? So see what has done. You see the fills he played over there. So 1, you slide to your 5, then 1 2 1 5 1. So he didn't play just 1 note. No, he did it this way. So from your 1 5, then you pluck on your 1, hammer on your 2, pull up back to your 1, then 5, then you slide backwards on that's your 3rd string, then back to your 1. So when you hit your 1 1 2 3 1 4, you understand? 1 2 3 1 4. You see he's now climbed in. You see how he made it very easy. So okay, so he played okay, so when he played da 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 da, so that is on your 4 1 6 1 4. Okay, so you pluck on your 4, pluck on your 6, hammer on your 1, and pluck on your 4. You understand? So 4 4 3. So now to your 2. So 6 1 2. A very nice passing note. Okay. You understand? Okay. So 2 5 2 4 5 5 6 1. Very simple. Okay, so see what the Lord has done. To your 5 5 passing note, then back to your 1. your 3, now to your 2, you understand, and to your 5, you understand, okay?
And you say, my eyes have seen, my ears have heard, I have seen what.
So my eyes have seen 1, 5, 6, 1. You understand, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. You can play it in 2 ways. Either using the second shape, 2, 3, 4. You have your 6 here, 5, or 3, 4. You have your 6 here, 5, your 6 here, and your 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. Then you can bring in the passing note 1, 2, 5. Then back to your 1. Okay. Back to 1. So you see, so here he wasn't just playing the 1, so he did something cool. So 1, 5, 1, 1, 5, 1. Then he went to the top as your 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 4, 4, 6, 1, 4. Remember that, okay? So 4, now to your 3. So 4, 1, 4, 3, now to your 2, 6, 1, 2. Remember, okay? So 2, so sometimes you just need to end in the heavy bass. 2, 3, 4, 5. Dun, dun, dun. So 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 1. You understand, okay? So you hear that? Back to your 1, okay? 1, da 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 da, da 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 da. A very nice feels back to your 1, 1, 5, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The same vibe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. You understand, okay? So 5. So you see what he played? The very nice feels to your 5. Da, 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 da. You understand? So that is 5, 6, 6, 7, 5, 2, 5. Okay. You understand? So he played 5, 5, 5, 5, 1. Okay. So what he played there? So dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Okay. So it goes like this. I think so. 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 3, 1, 6, 4. Okay. Okay. So remember 4, 6, 1, 4. Okay. Okay. So you saw what it played to the 3. So yeah. You understand? A very nice feels back to the 3. So when you play da 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 da, then you play 1, you play 6, 6 sharp, 6. So it goes like this. You pluck on your 6, come on your 6 sharp, back to your 6. Okay. Okay. So ta-da, 5, 4, 3, then so 3, da 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 da, then back to your 2, 6, 7, 1, 2. Okay. So 2, do 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 do, See, now the groove is going high. So 2 3 2 3 4 2 4 5. You understand? Okay. 1. Okay. 5 1. Okay. I think you have learned a lot. Simple passing notes, simple things from this groove. Okay. The bass line I loved was when he was going from. You understand? Those kind of fills and passing note, just try and learn them. Okay, try and learn them and see if you can apply them in any other simple worship song like this. Okay, so I'll be breaking the rest of the bass line in this song to my private student, and I'll be adding few lines to it. Okay, so that is why I want you to take part in my private lesson so that you don't miss stuff like this. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.